Fáilte welcome to Irish by Design's SCT piano accordion collection. This collection is based on the SCT graded traditional Irish music series, designed to help you learn, enjoy and play Irish music with confidence. Enjoy the music. This is my recording of the tune called The Kesh. It is recorded here in the key of D major and 6/8 time. One of the most famous jigs in Irish music. Bright, friendly and always popular. Keep it crisp and rhythmic with a steady lift. If you'd like to follow the full SCT piano accordion collection, please subscribe to the channel and join me as we bring these beautiful Irish melodies to life, one tune at a time. Slán go fóill. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tune and we look forward to sharing more with you very soon. And remember, as always, Irish by design.